Life's had its best. Now it's down in the valleys, trials and temptations. That's where your faith is really put to the test. For the God on the mountain is still God in the valley. When things go wrong, He'll make them right. And the God of the good times is still God in the bad times.
Thank you for joining in. Thank you, thank you. Unfortunately, I can't see the names and the consequence name as Zita. But welcome. Welcome to this platform.
Life is easy when you're up on the mountain.
I can actually do.
You got peace of mind.
I know some people might have problems joining in per YouTube. So I'm going to try
When you're down
and
in
stream
the valley,
side by side near Facebook.
don't speak, for you're never alone. For the God on the mountain is still God in the valley. When things go wrong, the God of the day is still God in the night. We talk the faith, we're up on the mountain. Talk comes so easy.
Welcome, welcome. I'm trying to make things work for everybody. Kune vamwe vanhu vari kuti havakwanisi kuenda pa YouTube, saka ndida kuti ndiite stream also pa Facebook. Saka I'm trying to sort out the other gadgets so that I can stream live from there.
God on the mountain is still God.